Here we have the UltraMax 12V 18Ah Golf battery. After long use, the terminals get dirty, and this affects terminal contact, which further interrupts connectivity and battery performance. This can be seen when the battery does not charge, you cannot finish a golf course, or when a charger is connected and the green light comes on quickly, or when there is no power on the terminals when using a meter. First, check if anything is trapped in the charging port. Contact our team if you feel like the charging port has stuck debris that you cannot clean. To clean the battery, use a brush or cloth with alcohol, unscrew the terminals and remove the T-bar. Clean the contact, T-bar and terminals well. Once done cleaning, tighten the terminals so that they are not loose. Don't forget to put the terminal caps back on correctly. Ensure the positive is red and the negative is black. And lastly, ensure the T-bar is placed the right way around. If you found this video helpful, let us know by liking the video. Subscribe or follow us for battery safety, maintenance, charging, and more.